Hello, this is Annalisa from Faith Dream Create, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new series for you. It is do-it-yourself educational projects using your crafting supplies. So for today's video, I will be creating a planner cover or dashboard, and I went ahead and used this digital stamp by Kinda Cute Digital Stamps, and this is the Turtle and Scooter. And I went ahead and got this prepared, and I'm just going to color this like Franklin, as you saw there quickly, the books, because we will be using some Franklin books in our homeschool curriculum this fall. So I went ahead and put the digital stamp into Word and adjusted it to the size I wanted, and then added the words as I wanted them as well. So you can definitely customize this. You can switch out the words for whatever your planner is. The reason I wrote homeschool planner is this is going to be my homeschool planner to organize all of that for the fall. And it says zooming into kindergarten in the bottom because my son will be starting kindergarten this fall, and he loves turtles and he loves scooters. So this was such a fun image. I wanted to create this, and I'm custom making a planner for all things organization this fall in homeschool. And you could probably definitely color this in with the fill color option in Word as well. I've never experimented with that, but it's probably an option. But I wanted to go ahead and use the supplies I had on hand and just really customize this and color it myself as a fun project. So I went ahead and did that, and the great thing about digital stamps is you can custom size them for any project. I could have made this even bigger. I could have made it the size of the whole paper. So that is an option. I can make it smaller. That's the one thing I love about digital stamps. You can really get all of the sizes for whatever project you want, and that gives you so many different options with digital stamps. So this is once again from Kinda Cute Digital Stamps. It is an Etsy shop, and I will link to the shop, and I will also link to this particular stamp set as well down below in the description box. And yes, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the coloring for this, and I will tell you a little bit more about this series that I'm thinking. So as you saw at the beginning, it will be do-it-yourself planner covers, flashcards, and just educational activities using crafting supplies. So I have a bunch of ideas. I even have an idea for a game that is fun for your kids to play or even you to play. So definitely stay tuned. Definitely keep checking back. On Saturday I will have a back cover planner page coming that kind of goes with the turtle theme to tie my planner together, and that will be using some clear stamps, so definitely stay tuned for that. I've got a bunch of ideas and I'm excited to see them come to light. I'm waiting for a few products to come in to work on these ideas, but stay tuned. I'm excited to be able to incorporate this into my channel and excited to play around with these ideas and use them in my homeschool this fall. And yeah, and I hope you can be inspired to maybe use your crafting supplies in a little bit of a different way. So I colored in everything with Spectrum Norm markers, added some lines around the sides and underneath the words, and then I'm also adding some glitter, some sparkle with the Spectrum Norm clear glitter marker, because why not? And this is the big, so a full sheet of paper would be a big happy planner. I'm going to be custom making this to be a big happy planner. I also did end up making a smaller one, and here I am using the happy planner hole punch, the classic size, and then I do go ahead and make it into a big one as well. Here is the classic mini size. I will probably end up using this for a journal for my son. And then I do have the big happy planner here, and I do need to add some more rings in when I get a chance, but this does work. And then here is the bigger size homeschool planner in a full size sheet. You can make any dashboard for your planner, for the Big Happy Planner. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I have more videos and all the crafting things coming your way. Thank you so much. Bye for now.